The health hazard of cholera, e-coli, all that, and people are walking through it, and they're not disinfecting their feet or their legs, and they get to where they're going, and it dries up. So there's the spread of, these microorganisms and infections. So we have to be really careful because it's a health hazard.
All those people that they are Uber drivers, they park their car because of the flood. They can't enter inside the water. You can't be using a person order you 5,000 naira work. You carry the person, you enter inside flood. Tomorrow or immediately after you are coming out from the flood, water will enter inside your car. And again, if you go to mechanic or you go to mechanic will tell you, okay, this one has spoiled, this one has spoiled, this one has spoiled, this one has spoiled. Before you calculate how much you spend, 200, 300, 500.
Àwọn tó ń rajà náà púpọ̀ wọn ò ní lè dúró wọ́n bá jọ ṣe rí àwọn omi yẹn wọn ò kí ń lè dúró púpọ̀ nu wọn máa kọjá ní kò sẹ́ni tó lè fẹ́ lóun máa dúró nú omi pé òun fẹ́ rajà tẹ́ bá pè wọn ẹlòmíì ní kíni kí wọ́n ṣe nú omi kíni kí wọ́n wá ṣe.
Bring my own money. Maybe you want to start them. I want to go back.